How to enlarge display text and icons in iPhone 16e. So let's start the video. First of all, open settings. In settings, scroll down and then click on display and brightness. After clicking on display and brightness, then scroll down in last and here you can see the option display zoom. Now click on display zoom. Now here you can make your text large or icon large. Now click on larger text and after that click on done and then click on use zoomed. Now restart your device. After restart your device, it will be enlarge your text or icons. So this is the way to enlarge display text and icons in iPhone 16e. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.